Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Roblox. Open Settings now and don't pause. Click the gear icon on desktop or tap the menu on mobile, then choose Settings. Once inside, navigate directly to the Privacy or Experience tab because that's where image and avatar options live. You want the control labeled Thumbnails, Avatars, or Show Pictures. Different clients name it slightly differently. Make sure you're signed into the same account you want to change, because changes apply per account and will persist after you save them. Now you'll disable the picture feature itself, locate the avatar thumbnails, or show player images, toggle and flip it off. Once done, confirm any prompts that ask to apply changes. This ensures the client updates assets and privacy settings. Make sure to save the settings screen if a save button appears, otherwise the change may not persist. After saving, close Roblox fully and restart the app so cached thumbnails are cleared, and the interface reflects the new preference immediately. Finish by verifying that pictures are actually off. Enter a game or open your friend list and look for missing thumbnails. If images still appear, clear the Roblox cache or reinstall the app. Cached assets often persist until refreshed. Make sure the same account settings are applied on every device you use. Changes are account-based, not device-only. If problems continue, toggle the setting back on then off again, and allow several minutes for server-side propagation before testing once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.